any YouTube channel, any website, how do we check the exactly live traffic? To how to analyze on your live traffic on your Google Analytics option. That is called, first you can finish by your website Google Analytics code. Your website will finish for Google Analytics code. In this Google Analytics, we copy by this ID. Which one? Copy by this ID. Complete copy this ID. This ID nothing but your Google Analytics ID. This ID will be checked for your YouTube channel live traffic purpose. How many people right now on your channel? You can check your on live traffic count. Go to particular channel. Click for video manager. So in this, my video showing for the channel views. I can see. I'll open this one video. How many people are there? Only for one people. This count will be given based on the ID to paste on your Google Analytics to YouTube channel. That will be copy this ID. Open your video manager. They click for Create Studio Classic. So in this you can select option. Now this, click for where? In channel. Click for advanced. In this advanced, the option is called Google Analytics property tracking and paste your Google Analytics ID. Now click for save. It's a very important and particular option. Is it clear? This is called check the any channel with the live traffic. It's a very important and particular options to any website analytics supported by the YouTube analytics also. For the website, Google Webmaster is supported by YouTube Webmaster also. If anybody how to set up your Google Analytics on your YouTube channel, that is called what the website will be, analytics will be there. They support on your YouTube analytics. If anybody interview question, can I set up YouTube channel analytics, Google Analytics? They will call yes. They will call yes. Make a note.